ABS-CBN Sports proudly presents the Adamson Lady Falcons,
Pounded off that level.
the Ateneo Lady Eagles,
They use that a lot.
the De La Salle Lady Spikers, the FEU Lady Camaros, the UP Lady Maroons,
6-5 is the score of a form. You even
the UP Lady Warriors,
Nebrida with an off.
the UST Tigresses, the NU Lady Bulldogs. This is the UEAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball Tournament.
After becoming witnesses to the biggest day in the history of UAAP Women's Volleyball, we get back to the grind today as we make our way back to the arena in San Juan City for our continuing live and exclusive ABS-CBN Sports coverage of Season 75 of your UAAP. Today, the University of the Philippines looks to sweep the season series as they take on the University of the East Lady Warriors, who are still looking for that elusive first win here in Season 75. That is our first game, and following that contest, FEU figures in a crucial matchup against Adamson University. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. Well, you saw both sides, UP and UE, and we actually passed by the side of Coach Boy Dalistan, and he joked that championship to.
Yeah, I'm sure that even the coaches know that. That's how even both squads are, and I think we're in for a long one, Anton.
Well, the first one was a long one indeed. It was a battle of attrition. It lasted 2 hours and 6 minutes. UP.
Those defeats early on in that first elimination round, there's such a different squad. They're peaking at the right time, actually.
Coach Kid Santos taking over, losing in straight sets to NU, and then winning 5 straight games before losing the last time out to De La Salle University. So let's see how they will respond and bounce back today in a pressure-packed and crucial matchup against Adamson. Now, who do you think is coming into that game with more pressure? Adamson or FEU?
For me, I think FEU.
Okay.
That's for me, because they were on a defender in a carpet ride by winning that 5 straight games, and that loss can actually make or break the rest of the season for them. So the pressure is on for them to embrace the loss, learn from the loss, or to be pressured by it.
In their first round meeting, 22-all.
Well, a good sign for Coach Boy, as Dawis we were looking for, now back in front.
Let's see if they can capitalize with her in front. But speaking of capitalizing in front, UP with Bersola in front gets an emphatic quick attack to go.
And you can feel her reaction. Actually, you can see it, but you can feel it as well. There you go.
Ang sarap ng feeling.
Well, again, no, good reception at the right time, and Bersola just took advantage of that. Reball. Oh!
That could be a crucial miscue.
Mental lapse there on Bersola's part. She didn't move, so the setter bumped into her.
23-all. Oh! A lapse in focus. And that could be deadly. Coach Boy wants a timeout.
Lady Warriors.
Una tayong
isang puntos. Receive lang tayo sa maayos. Ipatay mo, naiintindihan. Diskarte mo na, ha? Huwag kang magsugat. Doon tayo sa sigurado. Huwag kang magpili magbuhon. Di balik ka humaba ng palo. Come on, let's go.
Those are the types of errors that will give you difficulty sleeping at night. And for a coach, it's just so frustrating when one of your veterans commits an error like that at such a crucial moment in the game.
And you know, it's so obvious, or it's evident, that a coach can only do so much. You can train the person so much, but when it comes to the crucial time, it's really up to the player on how she responds to pressure.
Masangkay sets it up. Nebrida. That was almost done.
I know.
Good job by Sarmiento to keep it alive. Running hit.
Oh!
UP is back.
Well, Anton, we predicted a 5 sets. Did they think otherwise?
The set now is running attack denied by UP. Of course, Catherine Bersola, big part of this set 4 victory. So, will we... And the naysayers and the non-believers. Match point. Here we go. Masangkay sets it up. Nebrida from the back row. Will this be it for UP? Magdalas. Not yet. Guevara able to dig it up. Bulan goes off speed. Ong was there. Magdalas sets it up for Tiamzon. Not yet. Magdalas from the back row. Mangulabnan. Masangkay with a ground ball. It works.
Well, UE still fighting here. They don't want to give this set. Oh, they have to play flawless volleyball.
And Yui better make sure that they don't commit another crucial error. Bersola, no!
Well, of course, the veteran Lucette Dow is in front, and you know her. Win or lose, each point, she'll give 110%.
Sometimes the last point is always the hardest to get. Geyser diving for that one. Oh! 3 straight points for UE now.
They've broken a magic number of 4, and they're still in it.
And now Coach Jarrod calls a timeout.
Okay lang, tapos over na tayo lahat ng okay, pasok ka lang. Bangan ka lang. Tuloy ka lang agad. Okay, perfect na sigla muna tayo para ngayon mas maganda yung creation ng play natin. Ha? Para mangyari, tuloy mo. Kasi quick. At mangyayari ngayon, sumabay yung drop or goal. Wala tayong magiging problem. Single block tayo siguro.
Could those be the winning instructions from Coach Jarrod Hobalde? Hang on, folks. UP already at match point.
Yeah, and for those who just joined us, UE won the first 2 sets.
Yes.
UP won the 3rd and the 4th, and we are here in the 5th.
Magdalas sets it up. Nicole Tiamzon. Nebrida was there. Bulan gets the ball through, but it's still alive. Manansala sets it up. Bulan again. Nothing there yet. Magdala sets it up. Here's Nicole. Double block was there for UE. Masangkay back set for Davis.
UE still alive here in the 5th set.
4th straight point for UE. They're already down.
But they want to win this.
Tiamzon goes off speed, does not work. Bulan again, firing it through. 5 straight points now for UE.
Are you kidding me?
They were down 14-7. And Coach Jarrod again calls for time.
ma-create na kagad ng 1 point. Okay? Kailangan sigurado na tayo sa gagawin natin. Okay? Pag pumalo tayo, okay? Tapos parang ginagawa niya siya kanina pa, yung ganun ginagawa niya siya. So, kailangan niya hard ball yun. Okay? Isipin nila kung paano mangyayari siya. Kaya sigurado yung lahat maninigurado lang sa movement sa kanila. Okay? Tayo, hindi pwede ano. Tayo. Ay, paano?
We're the ones winning. We're the ones. You know, good point by Coach Jared. He's saying, we're too eager to get that 1 point. You don't just have to relax. And yeah, he mentioned UE actually mas ingat because they don't want to commit the error. So here we go.
Geyser pops it up. Magdala sets it up to Tiamzon. They've been going to her to try and make her be the closer. Here she is again. Nicole Tiamzon down the line! What a comeback!
For all the doubters and the non-believers,
And for the first time in this game, I saw Coach Jarrod smile. He smiled.
He had that.
He smiled.
What a comeback, really.
What a comeback.
But you gotta feel for Coach Boy and all his frustrations. You gotta feel for him.
They had it. They had it in their hands.
Well, this match actually goes to show you the importance of mental toughness. UE obviously had some doubt after winning the first 2 sets. When they were challenged by UP in the 3rd set, UP won the 3rd and the 4th. They had that doubt, and that made all the difference.
Well, you see the set scores. Like we mentioned, UE took the first 2 sets easily, actually, easily. But UP just did not give up. And despite a furious comeback by UE in the 5th set, UP was able to close it out.
That's right. Good character, so it goes to show in years to come what we will expect of this